Twinkle time.
Hey everyone, ever feel like your snacks are a little boring? I've got a plain cookie here, and it's looking pretty lonely. But don't worry, we're about to perform some delicious magic. All we need are some yummy, colorful helpers. I've got some bright red strawberries and some beautiful blueberries. Now, let's get creative. We'll add a little imagination, a sprinkle of fun, and ta-da! Look at that! It's a rainbow cookie. We've got vibrant reds from the strawberries and deep blues from the blueberries, creating this gorgeous purple hue where they meet. Who knew eating healthy could feel so magical? Wow! I just made magic food. The best part is, you can try this at home too. Grab your favorite fruits and turn any snack into a masterpiece.